Hi, when we shop for clothes, we look for the price tag, right? The price tag for mutual fund is called NAV, Net Asset Value. This is the price of one unit of a mutual fund scheme. Mutual fund companies collect money from various investors and invest it in different assets. Each investor gets a unit of these investments at the price of NAV. Now let us see how NAV is calculated. First, the total of the market value of all the assets of the mutual fund scheme is calculated, be it stocks, bonds, cash, anything. From this amount, the expense for that day is subtracted. The resulted amount is divided by the number of units given out by the mutual fund scheme. Let us understand with an example. Let's consider a mutual fund scheme has rupees 100 crores as its market value. Today's expense is rupees 10 crores and the units given out is 10 crores again. So the NAV is rupees 9 per unit. NAV is calculated every day after the market closes. Now, coming to the big question, should you buy a mutual fund scheme just because the NAV is low? Absolutely not. NAV is just the price of that mutual fund. This does not indicate if the mutual fund is good or bad. In fact, if the market performs well, the mutual fund scheme will also perform well irrespective of the NAV. In order to decide if you have to invest in a particular scheme, you have to see the long-term performance of the mutual fund, consistency, the fund manager's strategy, your risk appetite, and your long-term goals and many other factors. That's it. You have taken one more step towards financial confidence. For such guidance, subscribe to our channel.